Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're actually going to draw a very cute Eevee. It's going to be not a traditional Eevee, it's going to be a lot chubbier. It's pretty much a little bit of like how I like to draw a chibi Eevee. We're going to start with big oval eyes right in the middle. So start with one oval and then we're going to move over and draw the second one now. So let's draw the first oval around here. And we're going to repeat that right over. Give it maybe 1 1/4 ovals across. So measure 1 1/4 and we're going to draw the second oval right there. And with the oval done, we're going to just draw in the 2 highlights. Just 2 circles around here. Once those circles are done, we're just going to add a little bit of space in the bottom for color later, and we're just going to fill in with black. So we're going to draw 2 lines like that, and then we're just going to fill in the middle part with black. So fill in as you finish your bottom lines. Oh, those are very cute big eyes. This is going to be a very cute Eevee. And then let's give it a little tiny triangle nose. So right there, right in the middle. So don't make it right in the middle. We're just gonna move it to the left a little bit because I'm gonna make this Eevee look a little bit to the left. So we want a little bit nudge to the left, and where you just draw lips right below it, it's just gonna be a ooh W. Like that. Super cute. And then once we're done with the face, we can actually just draw the head shape. It's gonna look like the bottom of a dumpling. Hear me out, just follow along and it'll be super cute. So we're gonna draw the left side of the face, the right side of the face, and then finish from the bottom. So the left side is just gonna be a subtle curve like that. Very easy. And then the other side, don't do the same curve, we're just gonna do a like reverse C, so just go like that. And then we're just gonna do the bottom of the dumpling head by connecting it like that. And I messed up a little bit, but yeah, you just connect it. It's all fine. It looks good. And then let's do the ears before we draw the middle of the hair. Let's go from this point. We're just gonna go top left with a line like that. Let's draw the other side, and just to make it a little bit even, we're just gonna do the same thing mirrored. Then from here, we're gonna go up here and we're just gonna draw a full diamond shape. So we're gonna go 1, the top, bottom, make it a little bit of space, and then we're gonna end right here, right there. And it's kind of like a diamond shape, but don't connect it because we need a little bit of room for the ear to attach to the head. And we're just gonna draw the diamond on the other side. So we're gonna draw a line up. Let's go down over to here. And from this point, just go down to there. And same thing, a little space so the ears can attach. And then we're just gonna repeat the diamond a little bit smaller in the ear, and this should give us the little ear detail. So just repeat the diamond very easy in the middle, and then we're gonna do the other side. Follow along and then you'll be able to draw this Eevee at any time. The steps are easy, and if you need to go back in the video, if you miss a step, please feel free to rewind. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, let's draw the hair now. We're just gonna do 3 little hairs and then connect it to the ear. So follow along. We're gonna do 1 piece of hair, the big middle piece of hair, extra cute, and then 1 more bump right there. And then let's connect it to the ear. So from this point, connect. And there you have it. We got the Eevee head done. The rest is easy. Once the head is done and it looks super cute, the rest is super easy. So let's draw the big fluffy collar Eevee usually has. And this is gonna be a little complicated, so follow step by step, and then once we're done, it'll just be a very nice fluffy color. We're gonna do, from the middle of the head, we're gonna curve. It's just gonna be like a sideways S, like that. And we will repeat the same thing on the other side. From the middle, sideways S. And then once that's done, let's go and go down like that. And that's the first part of the collar. And then we're gonna do the other same thing on this side. Maybe a little smaller. They can match if you like, kind of thing. We're gonna do another S. And we're gonna do another C. We're gonna do another S, but don't connect it. We're just gonna do S, floating S, I call it, and another C. And then let's vary it up. We're just gonna go from this side and connect it all the way through. Once you have your two S-shape color pieces, we're gonna add a reverse or actual C right here. And then we're just gonna make it simple, go back up. And then we're gonna go a little C right here. Very simple, go back up. And then let's go for the middle big chunk. We're gonna go for a big C all the way down. And then we're gonna go back up. And then maybe let's go back up a little higher, like that. Let's split the middle chunk a little bit just to make it a little bit more detailed by adding a C like that. And then from this middle point of the S, reverse S, we're gonna go up like that. And then to get this point, we're just gonna go up again. And finally, we're gonna connect that. There you have it. It's a very cute collar for a very cute Eevee. And we got through it. Pretty simple steps, right? Now let's go for the 2 front feet, and then we'll draw the 2 back feet. For the first 2 front feet, they're really small, so we're gonna go, let's use this as a marker. In the middle of the eye or in between these 2 connection points, we're gonna draw a line down. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight down, it can be curved a little, and then we're just gonna draw another line over here, like that. And that's just the meat of his foot, and then we're just gonna draw the toes now. It's just gonna be a curve like that. And then let's do, I think 3 toes is good, so we're just gonna do these 2 little, almost parentheses, and we're gonna connect it. And then let's draw the other foot right next to it. So we're just gonna connect, and then let's draw the foot before we fill in that space. So don't connect this foot because we need the foot in front. So we're gonna go from, let's say, the other side of this connecting point and draw a line down. And then from here, we wanna have a little bit of space from this other line, like that. And then each leg should be a little bit even, like that. And then let's draw the first toe. And then 2 more toes, parentheses, and then connect. Look at those cute feet. And then once the 2 front feet is done, we can draw the back feet. And this is a sitting Eevee, so let's draw the butt first before we draw the front paws. So we're gonna go for the back view, maybe the back of the head, a little bit to the right of the back of the head around here, just so we have a big fat body. We're just gonna curve all the way down, and then don't connect to the paw, we're just gonna stop right here. Curve like that. It's almost like a J. And we're gonna draw the paw in. Let's start from around here, and then we're gonna do a U to connect to the foot. And we're gonna go from this point and draw a line up, like that. And this is the bottom of the paw. And then to complete the paw, we're just gonna do these mountain shapes, like that. 1, 2, 3, little mountain shapes. And then we could just add in the little ball details. It's just gonna be an oval on the middle, like here, and then 3 little ovals in the middle. And that's the paw. And then for the leg thigh area, it's just gonna be a very simple little line. So maybe from the top of the paw, we just add a little line of that, and that should give the effect that it's like a thigh or a leg. And let's draw the other paw on the other side. So we're gonna repeat this on the other side. You're gonna start with the middle of the toe, and then we're gonna go up like that. So start the paw, and we're gonna do the same 3 mountain things. 1, 2, 3. Very simple. And then we're gonna repeat the same exact details in here over here. So it's just gonna be a medium circle and 3 small circles. There you go. Once we have those 2 paws done, I believe the last step is the tail. Take your time to get to this point, and once you're ready, we're gonna move over to the tail. We're gonna start from, let's say, the middle of the back, like here, and we're gonna curve up to around this point, like that. And from this point, we're gonna reverse curve. We're just gonna swoop the other side, maybe to the middle of the head, all the way to the right. So let's go middle of the head to this point up, and we're gonna reverse the curve like that. And then from the middle of the head to this point, we're just gonna add a little cap right there. And that's the shape of the tail. Super easy. It was like, what, 3 steps? And then for the tail detail, it's very easy. It's just gonna be these zigzag shape. Just think zigzag, and just gonna go up, down, and then you could vary it up. And once your zigzag is done, we have the tail. And that's your drawing of, I'd say it's Boba style of Eevee. Very fat, very chibi, very dumpling-like. Now let's add a little bit of color. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.